Want to know how to make these fantastic bridesmaid proposal boxes? Then you're gonna love today's video. At the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how I made these, what products I chosen, and how I created the cards. So stay tuned until the end of this video. In case you don't know who I am or is unfamiliar with this voice, my name is Shanice Banis and I am a professional organizer, content creator, and wedding planning expert from my site, cityofcreativedreams.com. Before we dive in, if you haven't figured out by now, I'm engaged. I will be honest, it only took me 1 second to know exactly who I wanted standing next to me, and I decided to partner with WeddingStar. Here is what I got. The first thing I got was the sleep mask. Second thing I got was clear plastic makeup bag. The third thing I got was personalized satin pajama sleepwear set. And the last thing I got was a large white magnetic lid box. Let me start out by saying that it was love at first sight when I saw these simple and chic bridesmaid proposal boxes on WeddingStar. This large white magnetic box is the perfect size to hold your curated gifts. I love that it's affordable and it's under $20, and it comes in different styles like white and gold. Plus, you can customize and personalize it right on the website. It arrives flattened, so you will have to build the box. It is super easy to build, and all you need to do is peel the 3M adhesive backing and press it into place. My theme is items for everyday use, so my first instinct was PJ sets. These satin PJs are the right shade of pink and style for my bridesmaids. It is a short sleeve button top that comes with shorts. Since my wedding is a one-day occasion, I wanted to simply put the first letter of their names. That way it can be used all the time. What I enjoy is that WeddingStar has these PJs in other colors like white and navy blue in case pink isn't your thing. Also, there are many thread colors to choose from as well. These satin eye masks are so cute. I love the black material against the gold eyelashes. It is definitely something my bridesmaids will make good use of. Lastly, my bridesmaid proposal box wouldn't be complete without these makeup bags. Hands down, this is my favorite item. These plastic makeup bags are sleek and chic for really any occasion. Of course, I decided on the black and gold to keep with my theme, but they have gold option as well. Then you can add a personal touch with their names on it. I love every detail of this bag. Next, it is time to put everything together. I simply folded the PJs, placed the Eyemask on the shorts, then tucked the makeup bag on top so the name was seen at first glance. And then I repeat the process. Let's talk about how I made my bridesmaid cards. I designed the cover and the inside of the card using Canva. I simply used the template, changed the font and background color to create this, then downloaded it as a JPEG, uploaded it onto Word document, and used the inkjet gloss printable greeting cards that I bought from Amazon. I chose to create mine instead of buying one because I really wanted to design it myself. I think that I made a great decision because it turned out amazing. But of course, there are many cards on Etsy as well if you prefer to buy one. There you have it. All the products I talked about today is linked below. Don't forget to grab my free resources filled with free jaw-dropping checklists to help guide you through planning your own wedding. Grab it in the details below this video. Did this video help you? Are you gonna create a bridesmaid proposal box? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.